Hey, what's going on? Bobby Las Vegas presents day 2 at the Mandalay Bay. However, spending 4 nights in Vegas celebrating my birthday. Now I'm going to start it off easy with some coffee from Hazel's. As I sip on my iced Americano, I'll be taking a walk around the outside of the property. Now, Mandalay Bay has a tropical theme, and it does not disappoint. The design of the structures, the foliage and waterfalls briefly transports you into a different part of the world. This property has my attention, visually stimulating inside and out. All right now, time for breakfast. Now there are a number of spots we could have gone to, but we decided to check out the Seabreeze Cafe. Now usually when a restaurant has the cafe in their name, it's typically underwhelming. However, the Seabreeze Cafe, it's a casual dining eatery, but it has a great look, great views, does not have that diner feel, but it has those diner staples like a classic American breakfast, 3-egg, build your own omelet. It has a great look, like the food. Can't wait to do it again. Now the Mandalay Bay complex is exquisite. They have a little something for everybody. Day club for club goers, private club for the elite. But the thing that really makes it special is the wave pool and the lazy river. Now, some people have commented on the abundance of kids and families, but when we were there in April, we didn't have any of those issues. Anyway, I could have just floated down that lazy river all day. Man, good times at Mandalay Bay. Right. Now to put the icing on the cake, great day, we had drinks at Skyfall. Now Skyfall is a rooftop lounge located at the Delano. Skyfall is a dynamite spot. Great looking. The view from the balcony was incredible. And the drinks, great presentation, nothing overpowering. Man, it was a great night. Chilled out with my lady, some good friends. Can't wait to do it again. Wow, what a great day. Explored more of the Mandalay Bay, breakfast at Seabreeze Cafe, hung out at the pool, really the lazy river, and of course topped it off at Skyfall. Still have 2 more nights at Las Vegas. See it at Harris.